So I just started doing something for my business that I always do, and I thought you guys might like this quick tip. Hey guys, it's Rhonda, and I'm going to show you a quick tip, something that I think everybody should be doing to repurpose their content. And when you're repurposing your content, it's extremely important not to have any watermarks on it. So I do a lot of stuff on TikTok, and then I take those videos and I put them onto my Instagram Reels, my Facebook Reels, and even my YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to scroll down here really quick to a video that I've been using, especially since I've been building up my Facebook Reels and my YouTube Shorts lately. So I'm going to come down here to a video that I want to reuse, and I do not want it to have that TikTok logo on it, right? So all I'm going to do is come to this video. I'm going to click on those three little dots there, and I'm going to hit copy link. Okay. Then I'm going to go out of TikTok. I'm going to go into this app called Save, and it has that little bookmark. It's black with that white bookmark. Okay, I'm going to click on that. When you come in here, this app is free to use. You're going to hit now paste TikTok video link. So it automatically does it, and you're going to see in just a second, it's going to populate that. And it's going to say, give you different options on how to download it. I'm going to download it with no watermark. Okay, give it a couple seconds. It's going to say video has been downloaded. Great. Hit great. I'm all done. I'm going to come over here to my photos, and I'm going to show you. Here is that video, and now it has no TikTok watermark on it. When you are using something with a watermark on it, that sends a red flag to Facebook or to Instagram or to YouTube if you're using a TikTok video. So they won't show that video. It won't get pushed out as much if you're using a video with a different platform's watermark on it. So it's extremely important to get that watermark off there. So I hope this quick little video helped you guys. And those are, like I said, Save is a free app to use. So I hope you found this useful.